Avocados, often referred to as a superfood, offer a plethora of health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. These pear-shaped fruits are not only delicious but also provide a range of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. One of the standout features of avocados is their high content of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can have a positive impact on heart health. These fats are known to help lower levels of bad cholesterol (LDL) while increasing good cholesterol (HDL), thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Beyond healthy fats, avocados are a great source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the fiber content can aid in weight management by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing overeating. Avocados are also rich in vitamins and minerals that contribute to various bodily functions. They contain potassium, which plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and fluid balance. The presence of vitamins like E, K, and several B vitamins adds to their nutritional value. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that supports skin health, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. The fruit's vibrant green color is a visual indicator of its antioxidant content, including carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, avocados offer anti-inflammatory properties, which are attributed to their various bioactive compounds. These compounds can potentially help in reducing inflammation in the body, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can provide these remarkable health benefits. However, it's important to note that avocados are calorie-dense, so portion control is advised, especially for those aiming to manage their weight. Including this versatile fruit in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or simply enjoying it on toast can be a delicious way to harness its nutritional advantages and support a healthier lifestyle. In the next video I will discuss about the health benefits of watermelon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.